Hi friends, I want to show you this. Is my new mini bag. Look at this. It's so beautiful. The color is perfect and you can use it with any color in your outfit. It's perfect for outside activities like hiking, running, or in your work if you need to carry something with you. You have this secure. You open it and you can adjust the length easy right here. Look. So this let you use the bag in so many ways, because if you have the strap this way, you can use it here, or here like a normal bag, or in around here, just like that. Look at this, it's perfect. This bag is waterproof. That is perfect for outside activities. And the zippers right here are made of high quality, so your things will be secure inside of this bag. You can put here, look at this. We have this space and another two more of this side. And in the back, as you can see, another zipper, so you can put money or other things right there. You can put your wallet, your keys, and anything you need. This bag has so much space and you can put many things inside, everything that you need to carry, and use it all day. It's perfect. I highly recommend this bag. See you.